Guys, welcome back to my channel. New and latest beautiful rose flower, like different colors and different flowers, white flower and pink flower, rose flower, all different flower bouquet and crochet pattern as a gift. Crochet rose flower. Crocheting a rose flower is a lovely project. Here are simplified step-by-step guide and crochet hook size depend on yarn choice. Yarn in your distressed rose color yarn needle and green yarn for leaves optional, and different latest styles work like you can add leaves by crocheting them sparkle and attaching them to the base of the rose, and experiment with yarn colors and petal size for different looks. Happy crocheting. Crochet flower bouquets as a gift and as a celebration, birthday ceremony and engagement ceremony and wedding party, anniversary, birthday party as a gifting and bouquet. Flower roses like different and latest uh, style and easily uh, different styles and different colors can easily avail for this pattern. So I hope you like it my video. Bouquet creating a crochet bouquet can be a beautiful and creative project. You can crochet various flower and arrange them into a bouquet. Here are general guide. Material you will need: crochet hook for various size depending on the flowers, yarn in different colors for flowers and leaves, yarn needles, floral were optional for stems, floral tab optional for finishing and the stems, and crochet a variety of flower using different pattern and colors. You can use the rose flower pattern and different style. Find others flower pattern online. Crochet leaves using green yarn or